So what's up guys, I'm Ash from TechMesh and hope you are doing well. So today I will show you how to make your Facebook account private so only your friends can see. You will know how to change privacy settings on Facebook and how to make your profile private on Facebook. Maybe you want to make all photos on Facebook private just by changing your Facebook photo privacy setting. So before getting started, I would ask you to please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So let's get started, shall we? So at first, just go to your Facebook app. You can use your Android device or your iOS device, or even you can use a PC. The process is same. After going to Facebook, then just tap on this three horizontal line. Okay. Then scroll down all the way and come to settings and privacy. So in settings and privacy, just tap on privacy shortcuts. So in privacy shortcut, what you need to do is just tap on review a few important privacy settings. Just tap on it. So here you will find some option like who can see what you share, how to keep your account secure, and others option. So go one by one, like who can see what you share. So just tap on here. So now tap on continue. So now here you will find your personal information and you can select if you want to make it like only friends or public or only me or for a specific friend, whatever you choose, you can just select it. And after selecting those, then tap on next. So here you will find future post, so you can control who. So here it is selecting as friends. You can also select it like on public or friends except don't show to some friend. You can also block some of your friend who won't see your future post, and you can just select these kinds of option as well. Okay, so after selecting, then just go back, and then you can also select the same for stories, and you can also limit past post. So what is this? You can change who can see past posts that were public or friends of friends only to friends. Anyone tagged in this post and their friend may still see them, but you can limit your old past post. Okay, if you tap on it. And then if you don't want to like limit your past post, then just tap on next. And here you will see your blocked list. I don't have anyone here yet, so just tap on next, and then just tap on review another topic. So you have already reviewed who can see what you share. Now just tap on how to keep your account secure. Okay, just tap on here, and here you will find your password, login alerts, and two-step authentication. So just tap on review. Here you can also change your password, and then after, if you don't want to, then just tap on skip. And here you can also turn on all this alert, like you will get notification to your Facebook, your messenger, and you will get a text when someone logs in or when you log in. And then just tap on next. And then here are like some extra security layout. If you want, then you can read it, and if you don't, then just tap on skip, and then like tap on review another topic. Okay, so here you can see like how people can find you on Facebook. So just tap on here. You can also control who can find you. So here just tap on continue, and then here you will find who can send you friend request. So if you make it public, then everyone can send you, and if you don't want to everyone to send you friend request, then you can control it by selecting friends of friends. And after selecting this, then just tap on next, and then here, and you can also control like who can look you up by your phone number or email address. So here you can like select choose who can look you up by your phone number or email address. You can select it to everyone or like friends of friend or friends or only me, whatever you choose. And after selecting those, then just tap on next. And here you can also turn it on or turn it off. Like if you turn this off, your profile can still be found on Facebook, but if people search on outside of Facebook, like on Google or other search engine, then they won't find it if you just turn it off. And if you turn it on, then when they will search on other search engine, they can find you other than Facebook. So just tap on next after you turning it off if you wish, and then just tap on review another topic. So here you can also see like your data settings on Facebook. I will just give you a short brief. Just tap on continue, and here you will see all the applications that your accounts are using, and then just tap on next. And here you can see that Facebook is using a location service. If you want, you can also turn it off, and then you just tap on review another topic, and here you will find your ad preference on Facebook. Like, let me show you the step on continue and then the step on next. And here you can see that what your advertiser can see about you, like your relationship status, your employee status or job title, education and everything. You can also toggle it off. Like, as you can see, I have toggled all of this off. And then just tap on next. And now here you can see like some social interaction and everything, like how they can see it. And then just tap on next and then just tap on review another topic. So that's it. That's how you can like completely make your Facebook account private, so that only you or your friends or whoever you wish can see it. So hope you like this video. If you do, then please hit the like button. If you have any question or any suggestion, then let me know that in the comment section below. And please watch my other videos as well. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon as well. So I'm Mesh from TechMesh and I'm signing out.